going to check out the best gaming keyboards for this year. This list was made based on our personal views, and they are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see the price and to get more information about the best gaming keyboards, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from this channel. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 is the Razer Huntsman Elite. The Razer Huntsman Elite introduces the new Razer Optomechanical Switch, which utilizes optical technology with unmatched speed, which includes a key stabilizer bar, so every key you press is precise and accurate. Onto the design, the Huntsman Elite has a solid plastic chassis, which is topped with a sturdy aluminum top plate in matte black, which gives the keyboard a substantial industrial feel and serves as an unobtrusive, faintly reflective backdrop for the attractive suite of RGB lighting. The keycaps are raised to allow the glow of the colored lighting to stand out against the top plate, and this complements the colored glow of the keycap labels very well. The keycaps themselves are thoughtfully concaved and feel pleasing to use under your fingertips. The volume wheel extends slightly over the right edge of the keyboard, which is not only an intelligent design choice, but is incredibly easy to adjust without looking down during gameplay. The other major feature with the Huntsman Elite keyboard is the leatherette wrist rest, which attaches to the base of the deck magnetically, which ensures that even lengthy sessions of gaming or typing won't leave your wrists feeling cramped or sore. As for performance, let's start with the optomechanical switches that are the star of the Huntsman line. They are some of the best switches on the market today. Additionally, the Razer Huntsman Elite has a multi-function digital dial with 3 tactile media keys, which gives you fast access to everything from brightness to volume in moments. Overall, the Razer Huntsman Elite brings something new to the table with its outstanding optical switches and great features like the illuminated wrist rest and programmable wheel. It has great lighting and features that make this keyboard very unique and would be an attractive choice. It does have a price to match the quality and build, but I think you won't be disappointed. At number 4 is the Logitech G513 RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. The Logitech G513 is a perfect blend of performance with unparalleled build quality. The G513 includes advanced Romer G mechanical key switches and is the first choice for many esports professionals worldwide. My first thoughts of the Logitech G513 is that it's a robust keyboard. With a brushed aircraft-grade aluminum top case which has an attractive textured finish that adds a classy look to the overall keyboard experience. In terms of comfort, the Logitech G513 has an excellent wrist rest made from leatherette, and the surface is packed with memory foam, making it extremely comfortable. Kind of like a soft pillow for your wrists or palms. In terms of performance, the Logitech G513 keyboard Romer G linear switch feels firm, but without introducing too much resistance. The new Romer G linear switch, according to Logitech, promised a quieter and 25% faster keystroke than the competition, which it lives up to, making it exceptional for gaming. Moving on to the per-key lighting, and in particular the colors on this Logitech G513, are bright, intense, and vivid. Even in daylight where backlit keys often fade out and are hard to see, these LEDs are easy to see. Plus, if you factor in the Logitech gaming software onto your system, then you can unlock almost unlimited color effects, which can be assigned to your own key colors and macro needs. The USB 2.0 pass-through port is at the top right of the keyboard. The retractable feet are rather large and robust and have small rubber inserts that keep the keyboard firmly planted on your tabletop. Our final thoughts on this G513 are, it's a very comfortable keyboard, compact yet with a pleasing angle and a wrist rest deep enough to support even larger hands. Overall, it's pretty amazing, thanks to its tank-like build quality, sweet lighting customization, and excellent switches. It's an all-around excellent gaming keyboard. At number 3 is the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum features Cherry MX Speed key switches backed by a lightweight aluminum frame. Design-wise, it has a lightweight aluminum frame and comes in 2 colors, black, which we're reviewing today, and gunmetal as an option. It also has a choice of 2 Cherry MX switch types, tactile brown or silver switches. If you intend on doing a lot of typing, go for browns. If your prime target is for gaming and you want hair trigger control, go for the silver speed color. Additionally, the Corsair K95 comes with possibly one of the best wrist rests ever bundled with a keyboard. Constructed with the same military-grade aluminum as the board itself, the wrist rest offers plenty of support. As for performance, this K95 features Cherry's new Linear MX speed switches. The keys are highly responsive and take just a light press to actuate. In fact, the switches actuate with just 1.2 millimeters of movement and 45 grams of force, which means that the keys will bottom out faster and require less pressure, making them well-suited for twitch shooters or any game that requires fast reflexes. It's worth mentioning that to set your launch codes, the K95 has 6 dedicated programmable Macro G keys that can be configured to do just about anything a keyboard and mouse buttons can do, from launching a program to complex strings of commands complete with time delays. It comes with an impressive 8 MB of profile storage, which allows access to 3 stored profiles on the go, all of which are independent of any external software. To conclude, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is a near-perfect mechanical gaming keyboard. It includes almost every imaginable feature a gamer could ever want, and offers amazingly fast and responsive switches. With its classy, all-metal high-quality build, this is one keyboard we can safely say, if you can afford it, you won't be disappointed. At number 2 is the SteelSeries Apex 150. Is a budget-friendly gaming keyboard that aims to ease the strain on your wallet while providing most of the features you typically see on a keyboard twice the price. In terms of look and design, the manufacturer didn't skimp on construction with the Apex 150, even though this is a budget keyboard. The frame itself is made of plastic, but is surprisingly durable. The board is lightweight yet sturdy and won't move around your desk. Additionally, the body takes something of an angular approach, with the keys having a concave effect. The Apex 150 uses the company's flagship quick tension membrane switch design, coupled with 5-zone RGB LED backlighting. Also, the Apex 150 has a splash-resistant construction of the keyboard, which will avoid damage from accidental drink spills in the heat of a hectic game. The keys on the Apex 150 are responsive and fluid, and they don't have that mushy feel. They offer a surprising tactile feel while remaining quiet, which is essential to those who don't like the audible clacking of a Cherry MX Red bottoming out. Moving on, the Apex 150 features fully programmable keys with advanced anti-ghosting and 24-key rollover to deliver fast-paced, accurate gaming. The quick tension keys designed for fast reaction times. The tension membrane's design pulls the key into actuation, resulting in low friction and a tactile key feel with quiet operation. There are 5 lighting zones, and each can be modified to the color of your choosing. You can also pick among 3 different lighting effects for each zone, or turn lighting off for each zone entirely. For your information, the macro settings on the Apex 150 are easy to set up with SteelEngine, although for MMO and MOBA games, the lack of dedicated macro keys may be the deal-breaker on purchasing this keyboard. To conclude, the SteelSeries Apex 150 keyboard is great value. With nice keys, ultra-fast reaction times, tactile feel, and quiet operation overall, the Apex 150 is a delightful little keyboard for gamers on a budget. At number 1 is the HyperX Alloy Elite. The HyperX Alloy Elite is a fully featured RGB keyboard that has as much style as it has substance. You can customize your keyboard or individual keys with RGB lighting. It looks fantastic, feels great, and delivers smooth action with impressive precision. In terms of design, the keyboard is spacious and adequately heavy, which provides good stability, preventing any slipping. Underneath, you will find 2 leaders on both top ends so you can raise the keyboard for comfortable gameplay. It also comes with a detachable wrist rest that has a rubberized finish that gives ample comfort for those longer gaming sessions. The keyboard is spacious with a solid steel frame, which helps guarantee you have stable and sturdy controls during the most frantic gaming action, while the game mode, N-key rollover, and anti-ghosting feature keeps all your key presses on point. The media switches on the Alloy Elite RGB now feature a great silver color, and the LED top bar is fully RGB programmable, which gives a very clear and bright customizable style not seen on many other keyboards. Performance-wise, the HyperX Elite keyboard ticks all the boxes when it comes to gaming. It offers much-needed stability with high-end RGB customization available in today's market. The Alloy Elite's real advantage comes from its fuller feature set. This includes a number pad, 4 dedicated media pads, and a lovely little volume roller in the top right corner. With a neat layout and Cherry MX keys, the Alloy Elite performs spectacularly in both low and high-stakes gaming scenarios. When tested with a variety of games to see how it held up to both furious key pounding and laid-back tapping, it excelled in both categories. For your information, you can link particular profiles to respective games or applications, and you can customize the 7 various zones of this gaming keyboard with your RGB settings. For an RGB geek, the offering of 2 layers of RGB profiles might feel restrictive, but for most gamers, the available options are more than enough to make their setups look ultra cool. To conclude, the HyperX Alloy Elite RGB is a great option if you are in the market for a high-end durable mechanical gaming keyboard. With its excellent build quality and lots of useful features, including appealing RGB customizations and with outstanding overall performance. If this ticks your boxes, it could be the ideal gaming keyboard for you.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.